Advisories on Tropical Storm Victor are issued under WMO header WTNT35. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Tropical Weather Outlook. Toward Tropical Weather Outlook, National Weather Service, National